Hello, today I'm going to introduce to you my coding project. As you can see, it's a quiz. It's a history quiz. What I have simply done in order to get these codes is the following things. First of all, I had to identify the type of quiz I wanted to create, which is a history quiz, as you can see. I decided on the format of question, multiple choice. In this case, as you can see, there are a lot of choices. For example, the first question, 2011, 9, 8, 10, and in the second question, 1943, 1944, and so on. And then in the question, Greek, Roman, Egyptian, and so on, which is what ancient civilization built the pyramids. I structured questions, options, and correct answers, as you can see. For each question, in this case, which is obvious, I utilized the random module to randomly select questions and shuffle answers options. I also use input to get answers, provide feedback based on correction, and as you can see, I used the quotings as I have written the numbers, the years, the civilizations, also the questions, because without quoting, then we have an error. It doesn't work if we don't quote. If it doesn't work if we don't quote. I also use input to get user answers and provide feedback based on corrections. I loop to go through multiple questions, and I also had to keep track for the score and display at the end, which is obvious. At the very end, you receive 1 point for each answer you answer. I also tested the code to find out whether it works. And then, what do I do in order to find out whether it works? I press on the run button. And what do? I answer the questions. But the question is, how do I answer the questions? In order to answer the question, I have to input answers by entering the corresponding number. Be careful, don't put the answer itself, put the number of the answer. For example, when did Obama become the president of the United States of America? He became the president in 2008, which means we have to pick number 3. We don't put 2008, we put 3. And then we press on open. Wait, enter. And we got a feedback. Yay, the answer is correct. This is the same question. We also press on 3. There's one problem. The questions repeat themselves. And here we have another question. In which year did World War II end? We all know it, 1945. But we don't press 1945, we press number 2. And yay, we have correct answer. Oh, the same question is being repeated. Wait. And then by answering all the questions, we get a score. For example, here we could answer all the questions the correct way, 5 out of 5.